In 2026, daisy baby showers are blooming everywhere. Fresh, cheerful, and perfect for adults and kids alike. This theme combines soft florals with playful DIY charm for a celebration that feels joyful and welcoming.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are daisy baby showers trending in 2026? Daisies symbolize innocence, purity, and new beginnings, making them perfect for welcoming a baby. Their simple shape and bright center create decor that feels fresh, light, and effortlessly joyful. Love fresh floral themes? Like this if daisies brighten your mood. What table decor works for a daisy baby shower? Linen runners, daisy centerpieces, and yellow napkin accents create harmony. Low floral arrangements keep conversation flowing comfortably. Table ready? Like this if fresh simplicity wins. What party favors match this floral theme? Mini potted daisies, seed packets, or floral candles make thoughtful keepsakes. These favors reflect growth and new beginnings. Favors picked? Like this if meaningful details matter. What makes a daisy baby shower memorable in 2026? The combination of interactive DIY elements and clean floral styling creates a celebration that feels heartfelt, modern, and joyful. Feeling the sunshine? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What DIY decorations fit this theme? Handmade daisy garlands, painted mason jars, and floral centerpieces work beautifully. Mixing textures keeps the setup playful yet polished for guests of all ages. DIY decor ready? Like this if handmade feels special. What colors work best for a daisy baby shower? White, soft yellow, sage green, and pastel tones create a balanced palette. These colors Feel spring-inspired while remaining neutral enough for any baby celebration. Palette picked? Like this, if soft florals win. What activities fit a daisy baby shower? Flower pot painting, daisy crown making, or advice cards work beautifully. These relaxed activities keep guests engaged without feeling overwhelming. Activities planned? Like this, if fun feels easy. How do I keep the theme elegant, not childish? Use muted tones and natural textures like linen and wood. Clean layouts elevate the daisy theme while keeping it playful. Balance achieved? Like this if style feels refined. How do I decorate a daisy-themed welcome area? Use a floral welcome sign surrounded by balloon clusters and potted daisies. Keeping the entry bright sets a cheerful tone immediately. Entrance styled? Like this if first impressions matter. Can this theme work indoors and outdoors? Absolutely. Daisies pair beautifully with natural light and greenery. The theme transitions seamlessly between backyard and indoor settings. Flexible setup? Like this if versatility wins. How can adults and kids enjoy DIY together? Choose simple crafts like paper daisies or painted flower pots. Easy projects allow kids to participate while adults focus on refined decorative details. Family crafting? Like this if shared creativity matters. Can balloon decor match a daisy theme? Yes. White and yellow balloon garlands mimic daisy petals, adding green accents ties everything together naturally. Balloon goals? Like this if soft clusters shine. Easy DIY daisy baby shower ideas in 2026 combine creativity, simplicity, and cheerful floral charm. By blending handmade touches with clean styling, you create a celebration that feels bright, welcoming, and full of love. Loved this daisy theme? Like and come back for more 2026 baby shower inspiration.